Hey guys, welcome to R&L Homestead. Today we're going to be finishing cleaning the hay barn and bust a few more things today. Alrighty guys, so today we are... Which side are we working on first?
Well, we need to empty the hay rack first.
So first we're going to empty the hay rack, and then we'll probably kind of pull stuff up. That way we can get in there, bust the hay rack, and then we'll try to go through all of this today. I'm going to start helping Mom see what she wants to get done first, and then, or maybe I'll start on the hay rack. I'll start getting everything out from the hay rack. We're gonna try again. Almost. Okay, let's see if I can do it. It's hard. And let's see if I can do it. Ready?
Has Todd been a surfing board yet?
No, he's never been surfing, but he's well, we can use it. Stop. Stop. We're gonna do a pocket surf. That means I'll bring.
So as you can see, clear. I don't know, we may work on the hay rack now. May need to pull some more stuff out from away from it. And then we'll maybe start busting down that hay rack. Alrighty guys, so we, like y'all saw, like I said, we got that wall busted out, so now we're going through all these boxes. Alrighty guys, so you can see there was a bunch of other stuff down here. And so, me and Mama, we just got the desk moved back where it goes. And now we got to get the desktop on it. It's a sprayer. Here, let's not mess with it, okay? So, me and Mom got to get that desktop on it. And then, once we get the desktop on, we're going to get those books and stuff, put them in the bus tubs, take them up, clean them off. Karen's probably going to flip through them. There's some of mine in there, so. We'll get it. It's a lot more organized, a lot more open now, so. It'll help keep us a little bit more organized down here. And it kind of gave us more space. But I'm going to let Mom finish up whatever she's doing. And then we'll get that desktop on my desk. So Mom's going through all that glass pictures. And it looks like some just, I don't know, Chinaware maybe. I'm not sure. But there's a big spool of bubble wrap. And Mom's going to use it to cut some of it out, that way she can use it to wrap up some of that stuff. And then I'm trying to get through all this stuff real quick, and then we'll be able to play with all that bubble wrap, and I'm sure Karen will enjoy that. She's over there by the creek. I'm not sure what she's doing right now though. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the books that are on this table, put them in these bus tubs we have here, put them in the bed of the truck, drive up. That way we can bring the books up. That way we can clean them. Give it to me, kid.
Let's put it in there.
Let me see it. Alright. Now, I don't know why I picked this up. Now, we got all the books. There's a few more other things. Don't mess with it. There's a few other, here's cover. Oh, they can see maybe a little better. No, over there.
I didn't know it was like right here,
yeah,
back there.
It's all good. So, we're going to put these in the bed. We got a couple of the bus tubs. We'll put this stuff in. And then, I guess, Mom, will we head up?
Yeah, for today. We're
No
going to
more.
buy some more bins so we can keep organizing.
Okay, so what she said, in case you didn't hear, is after we do this, put the desktop, I know, we still haven't done that yet. Put the desktop on there. We're going to call it a day. And then tomorrow, or maybe today, we'll go get some extra bins. That way tomorrow, we can finish organizing all that. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to wrap up this video here for y'all. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that little bell button, share this video with your friends and family. Y'all have a good one, and God bless.